What's up, y'all? ZRTzillaa here, back with another very special video. And today we are at Tai Center in Bangkok, Thailand. And today we're going to show y'all exactly just how cheap Thailand could be. So we're going to show y'all exactly what we can get
for just $1.
We have the first stand of the day, and as you see, 10 baht for some chicken. So we got tenders, 10 baht, 10 baht, 10 baht, shrimp, 15 baht. So this is way under our budget, so let's see what I can get.
10 baht.
That's a shrimp?
Shrimp.
Alright guys, now we at the takeout place. So we got different kinds, so let's see what we getting. It's good.
So next up for me is strawberries. I love sweet stuff, so let's see what we can get. They got strawberries and grape, strawberry oranges, mixtures, you know, and it's only 25.
And easy, 30 baht.
I already know this is probably gonna be my favorite one from today. But let's see how it tastes. 10 out of 10.
Alright guys, so now we're at the ZRTzillaa. So they got different kind. This one is all pork. This is sour. This one not sour. So we're gonna get for $1.
After all the snacks and all the food, you gotta get a drink. And as you see, the drink is only 25 bucks. So that's way under our average. So our noon under a buck. Can't beat it.
So now we add all the squids. So let's pick anything under the price $1. So it's all 10 baht. Very good.
Alright, next up we have a sandwich, salad place. So let's see what we can get. As you see, under $1, under $1, under $1. How many cups? Alright, so I got the sandwich. 30 baht, under $1 for a whole sandwich. Let's see how it tastes. Oh yeah. Oh Lord.
Ham cheese.
Awesome. Alright, next up we have the pancakes. As you see, they're 25 baht, which is way under our budget, so this is great.
And now she make gold. Yeah, how she know?
same size as my head.
Hat.
Alright, y'all, we're getting close to the end of our list, but next we have corn. They put butter on it, and it's only 20 baht for all the different variants of corn. Alright, nice and wet. As y'all see, you don't need much to eat here in Bangkok. So you're ever in Bangkok, you don't need much money to eat. But make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. And if y'all want more food videos or any type of video, just let us know in the comments down below.
See y'all in the next episode.